morning, everyone. Hope you're having an amazing day. Today is a crazy day. First off, my Skyline is supposedly landing in the United States today. So that is a huge announcement, huge deal. We've been waiting for that. I bought that car in September. 2, we are still in the process of buying a house. We're about to finalize our loan stuff, and we're gonna be closing in a little over a week, and that is nuts. And then 3rd, I have just been so excited to get this Subaru done. And now that we have the tires, the wheels, we're gonna get them mounted, and the car's gonna be drivable. Okay, here's the WRX. Say goodbye to this bunky fitment. Let me show you guys the wheels that I got. I am psyched to be running these. These are NK Raijins. What's awesome about this, so these are like really nice, and I can't wait for you guys to see them on the car. What's awesome about these is NK this past year just started making Raijins a 10.5 wide instead of only up to 9.5. So these are 10.5 inches wide plus 25. And so I also have a spacer to get it spaced out and fit properly, and it is going to look amazing. I have some tires for you. Let's go pick them up. It's gonna look awesome. Ooh, the flex, dude. Real quick, a little update on this guy. So I confirmed this guy has several different engine codes, and I'll probably do some diagnostics in a later video. I was definitely drifting this thing last weekend with about 3/4 horsepower. And look how broken this rear coil is now. I'm still waiting on my replacement. It's so bad. It's sitting like probably a solid inch lower than the other side. And I was scraping side skirt. If you guys didn't believe me while I was doing that, yeah, scraping side skirt. Life always has a way to keep me busy, and I like it. But let me show you guys these new tires. My garage is really ugly. Yo! I didn't go with like super high performance tires on this. My biggest concern was size. I got Achilles tires, which is actually what I'm running on the back of the drift car, which is meh. And also what I'm running on the back of this, well, this is not really my drift car anymore. Go ahead and turn this little guy on right here. Oh, that's hot. That's a bright light. I had a dream last night where I waited all this time to get these tires, and they sent me 17s instead of 18s, and I was so pissed. I guess I'm just used to things just not going the right way. These are two 75/35s, and they're gonna be on a 10.5. Just to give you a little reference, these are two 85/30s on a 10.5. So, like, that's literally almost zero stretch. That's a nice little meat, but I have a less of a sidewall on this because it looks cooler. So we got some meaty boys going on the Subaru today. Let's get these suckers loaded up and mounted. I gotta show you guys the new tire shop. Y'all haven't seen it yet. It's really sick. This little place used to be the place where I got my tires done. Moved across the road. Look at this new place. This is the same people, dude. Talk about a glow up, dog. What? What? And also, I have to say this right now. We just got approval, clear to close on the house. So, wow, like insane, crazy. Oh, God is good. We are scared, not scared, but it's such a big time. Don't know what's going on. Woo! What's up, man?
What's good today?
It's all 4 square, so it'll be easy.
All right, no problem.
It scares me every time. God, it still scares me every time. Look at these meaty, big, meaty claws. I'm gonna stop wasting time. No, that's SpongeBob, not Austin Powers. Woo! First startup in a while.
Ready to say goodbye to this dude?
Whatever that is. I will sell these. They're Rotas, so first person to email me and show up with 250 bucks, these wheels are yours.
What in the world?
As you can tell, I think coilovers are definitely next. That is such a big suspension travel. And you guys own a 5x100 bolt pattern car, you know that it's literally impossible to find cool wheels. So I got a 10 mil spacer hub adapter. So we're gonna go from 5x100 to 5x114 to actually get a decently cool-ish wheel. I got 10 millimeter because I wanted the least amount of spacer possible, but I did need a little bit of a spacer to fill out this meatiness that I'm gonna have on the car. Yeah, these are wide.
Golly.
The strut is bent. That is actually what's bent.
Is it?
Yeah, I can see it right now.
And that's what?
So that's,
oh wow,
once I
yeah.
get the coilover, that's actually that'll be fixed. I never realized that, but that's why it's out of alignment.
I've never seen it because it's always been so far down.
This is incredibly bent forward, so this is going to continue to have this is going to be super out of alignment until I get a coilover. Not a big deal because I'm not going to be driving the car anyways, but holy crap, that's going to be crazy when I set this down. Look at that. Look at the fatness.
It's no, your hand too. It's not even both of our hands.
I mean, it's just a 275, but still, that's meaty.
This looks so good.
Wait until it's low.
So yeah, it looks a little.
So just for you guys real quick, I'm gonna Photoshop a picture of exactly how it is right now, but lowered. All right, ready? Here it is regular height, here it is lowered. So it's gonna look a lot different. Coilovers are coming. The main thing I'm concerned about right now is fitment, and wow, did I do, I'm gonna pat myself on the back with, thank you. That's so nice, of choosing the right size tire. That is just, look at the meat on the booty though. So right now it definitely looks ugly because it is like lift kit. Are these cars really this tall? Crazy. Let's go ahead and get the flares on this side and get all of them mounted. Yikes.
I wonder where that came from.
Probably the rallying in the back.
And he was doing donuts in the back.
So right now it's a bit of a rally monster. Like, it is high up in the air. Yeah, the coilovers are gonna give it about probably a nice solid 4-inch drop or more. Like, I mean, I'm gonna actually close the gap. Wow. That is crazy how absolutely thick and wide and cool this looks. First time driving by itself because it has 4 wheels that it can actually drive on safely. And it's really, really lifted. I'll give you guys a walk around. I don't know why it's so windy outside, but it is. We obviously have several more things to do. The biggest thing, to finish the body kit, I need to cut the metal out so that we have no more metal fenders below the Carlton fenders. I need to do a little bit of fiberglass work to make things fit a little bit better. And then we've got to do some wet sanding, and then I've obviously got to go over and sand the Bondoed side on the other side. And this will be a completed car. It's so high up in the air right now. It's crazy. So the biggest things next, getting panels to fit is obviously the biggest next move. Getting some dings removed from the car. And then today, after I stop filming, I'm gonna go ahead and sand down some more of this. My goal is to get this car ready for paint by next week. So I'm gonna be working really hard on this car to get it completely done. I'm gonna get some kitty hair and pack like some fiberglass behind this, shape some of it down so it looks and feels perfect, adapt it to the body. I'm gonna get all the liners on and stuff like that. We'll get everything painted and this car will finally be finished. But holy crap, it looks so dumb on camera, but look at that schmeat, baby. Can't wait until we lower this baby a little bit. Okay, now you guys can hear me. I can't wait to get this thing tuned. Let's get it back inside, get some more work done. Big thanks to NK Wheels. These Rygens are really awesome. Like I said, this last year, they just came out with the 10.5 size. So these wheels are super awesome. You guys hit up NK Wheels. They have these new sizes available. It's so awesome. They look so meaty. I can't wait to see this car kind of come to life as this project comes to an end. It's gonna be so awesome. Still gotta do a little bit here. Have to finish sanding. I gotta re-sand the car just a little bit just to kind of get rid of any possible rust spots, kind of like that right there. But literally after that, I mean, I probably have like a day or two of just getting some of this other stuff done, but that is it. And then we are actually painting the car. So that's going to be fun. Wish us luck on the whole house thing. As you guys watch this, we're probably getting stuff figured out to get stuff signed away. Advice of the day for you guys. Ooh, what is I gonna say? I have so many things I could say.
You've had some really good ones lately on Twitter.
Comparing yourselves to others will always lead to feeling like a failure. Don't look at other people's lives, other people's situations, other people's scenarios. Just look at yourself, look at how far you've come, and be grateful for it. That's my advice for you guys today. Just be thankful for where you're at, where you've come, how far you've come, or however little or large the process or the progress has been. Be thankful for it. And don't compare yourself to others. My advice today. I'll see you guys later. Bye. 2 videos I got for you is right there, baby. 2 videos. They're so good. I swear. Actually, I know for a fact one of them, like the 350Z drifting video. Oh my God. If you guys missed that, you gotta watch it. That's it. Bye.